rich? Of course you do. Everyone wants to have enough money to live comfortably and achieve their goals. But what does it really take to make money? Some people think that you need to be born into a wealthy family or have a special talent, but that's not true. Anyone can make money, no matter their background or circumstances. The key is to have a strong money mindset and to be willing to work hard. If you're ready to learn how to make money, then listen up. I'm going to share with you a few powerful tips that will help you achieve your financial goals. So let's get started. Money is a tool. It's a way to achieve your goals and live the life you want. But it doesn't come easy. You have to work hard and be smart about it. If you're serious about making money, here are a few things you need to do. 1. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to buy a house? Start a business? Retire early? Once you know what you want, you can start making a plan to get there. 2. Develop a strong money mindset. Believe that you're capable of making money and achieving your financial goals. Get rid of any negative thoughts or beliefs about money. 3. Take action. Don't just sit around and wait for money to come to you. Go out and make it happen. Start a business, invest in yourself, or find a high-paying job. 4. Be persistent. Making money takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep working hard and eventually you will achieve your goals. Here is a powerful quote to motivate you. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. If you love what you do, you'll be more likely to succeed and make money. So find your passion and pursue it with all your heart. Remember, you are capable of anything you set your mind to. If you want to make money, you can do it. Just believe in yourself and take action. Go out there and get that money.